Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and to my bathroom. Today I thought I'd just do a little everyday skincare routine. I just did a workout outside, which is why my hair looks lovely. And I thought I'd just chat with you guys and kind of do my little skincare routine. It's gonna be a quick, simple, little hot, humid summer skincare routine. So first things first, I'm gonna start with the Bioderma micellar water and just get some of those impurities, if you will, off. Like I said, I just did a workout, been loving yoga lately, and honestly with the humidity outside, it's like hot yoga, so get real sweaty and then I just jump in the pool, and it has been so nice to do that every morning. Also, I love using these little washable pads. I kind of use one a day, AM, PM. Okay, once that's off, I'm gonna go in with the Fresh Soy cleanser. Just a little soothing one to wash off all that sweat from my workout. Okay, so yeah, I typically, like my skincare routine, I don't really start it first thing in the morning because I go straight to the barn at like 7:30, and honestly, I'm just gonna sweat it all off. So what I've been doing recently is just waking up, brushing teeth, having coffee, rinse my face, and then I just go to the barn, and then when I come back, I'll do my skincare routine after I've had a workout. Sorry, my tag is like, so after I've worked out, just so like I can have the rest of the day with a fresh face. So after that, I'm gonna go in with my Elemis Apricot Toner. Feeling a toner today for some reason, just because this has witch hazel. I would use just pure witch hazel right now. Don't really think this is all that different. But I'm putting it, I'm putting it on a cotton pad. Clearly I've used this for makeup, but whatever. Just gonna, you really need, honestly, I'm just gonna put it on my face. Spread that directly in my eye. Just wipe it down. Okay. Next step, quick little serum. Today I'm gonna use this SoulCeuticals Day Glow Serum. I found this on Amazon and I just love how moisturizing makes my skin feel without being too harsh. Because sometimes vitamin C can be a little bit harsh. So we're gonna take a little bit. Just gonna, I'm not gonna put it directly on my face. I don't like doing that. Rub it in. I like to pat this on first. It smells so citrusy. I love this for the morning. Just a good base for any makeup you want to put on, any SPF. Oh. It just smells really good. Put the rest of my hands to not waste it. Go down the neck. I find vitamin C could be a little bit tacky, which I guess is good because then you could just apply product and it'll stick on. But you can just dry it a little. How is everyone doing? It's almost, I don't know when this video will come out. Maybe Independence Day will already passed, or I'm Canadian, so Canada Day. Just lots of holidays. I can't believe we're in the summer already. It's insane. Hope everyone is kind of returning back to normal. I know I'm excited to be back out and doing stuff. It's nice. Okay, then I'm gonna go in with this Kopari coconut face cream just because it is light. I'm literally just gonna do a little dab. I find it just a nice little base. It smells lovely. Just rub that in. Brush those brows up. My brows need some TLC, but do you guys get threaded, waxed? Do you pluck? Terrified of plucking, always have been. So I usually get mine threaded, but like hating it recently. The feel of it pulling out, so I just kind of have been using at-home MAC strips, but clearly it's not good enough. Once that is set, I'm just gonna brush my brows up. I'm gonna do them. Take my little spoolie, just brush them up so I'm feeling ready for the day. Okay, once the moisturizer has dried, I'm gonna go in with this Milk Primer by Beekman 1802. You have to activate it because it does have SPF. So you shake to activate it. And I'm just gonna use this as my, SPF. It's milky. If I choose to put makeup on. But because I am in Florida, it's just nice to have some sunscreen on my face. I should have done the brows after this, but you know what? Doesn't matter, I'll just use the product on my hand. Curl my lashes so that I am feeling like I can take on the day. Because I am filming. Today's Monday, so I just feel like I just need a little zhuzh, you know? You could just pinch the cheeks to add a little color. Finish it off with some lip balm that I clearly used with red lipstick. It was okay. A little color. Never hurt anybody. That's pretty much it. I am ready for the day, ready to take on the week, and slay the Monday, you know? That's for the face. However, my hair is not ready to slay this Monday. Okay, what are we gonna do with this bad boy? I think a little, what is that? I think a little dry shampoo. I'm gonna go in, I have so many different ones. If you guys have a good recommendation, I'm all ears because my hair is so thin. I'm always in sweat, humidity, just in a helmet, so I always use dry shampoo. So today I'm gonna go in with the John Frieda Luxurious Volume. Rub. Brush this out. Okay, that's pretty much it for my stay-at-home, slay the day, Monday revival skincare. This is kind of what I do every day. I will mix up the serums, I'll mix up the toners, and I'll mix up everything basically. But that's kind of the steps I take. You know, micellar water to get the sweat off, a little face wash, serum, moisturizer, you're good to go. That's all you really need. Hope you guys have a great week, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.